When I think about search engine optimization, I think about two things first. I think about how visitors search for your services, and I think about how search engines offer matching results. The art of search engine optimization is to make sure that your website is ranking for the right types of keywords. If you're an association, a keyword such as membership may not work. You might get visitors searching for gym memberships. If you are a professional services firm, you probably want to target your service areas and industries rather than generic keywords such as professional services. Basically, think like a buyer when building your keyword list. But then you have to monitor who is coming to your site. Are they the right visitors who could become clients? Just as important for SEO is what you want visitors to do when they arrive at your site. You have just a few seconds to grab their interest and help them see that you have what they need. Make sure that each page focuses on the visitor and requests an action. They should sign up, download something, or contact you.